three-dimensional figure is frustum of a cone. So here you can see that shape of glass. Okay, the shape of glass used to drink water as well as the shape of water in this glass are the examples of frustum of a cone. Now how this shape comes? Let us see here. Suppose this is one cone, and if you cut the cone parallel to its base, if you cut the cone parallel to its base, we got two shapes. One upper part is the conical part and this remaining part is the frustum. So that's why it is called as frustum of a cone. Okay, so frustum of a cone, here the bucket, glass, these are the examples of frustum of a cone. This frustum is having three surfaces, upper surface and the base. Both are flat surfaces and they are in circular shape. And this middle portion is called as curved surface of the frustum. So let us see formulae for the frustum. Here, the upper surface is circular shape, its radius is assumed as R2. Base of the frustum is also circular shape, its radius is assumed as R1. If you join the centers of these both the bases, the segment which we got is the height of the frustum denoted by H. And any point taken on both the surfaces, upper surface and base, and join it, this segment is called as slant height of the frustum denoted as L. So we have formulae related to frustum. See, H is the height of a frustum, L is the slant height of a frustum, R1 and R2 are the radii of circular faces of a frustum, where R1 is greater than R2. R1 is greater than R2. So slant height of a frustum L is equal to square root of H square plus bracket R1 minus R2 the whole square. This is the slant height of a frustum. Then curved surface area of a frustum is equal to pi L into bracket R1 plus R2. Then total surface area of a frustum, pi L into bracket R1 plus R2 plus pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. And the last formula, volume of a frustum is equal to 1 upon 3 pi H into bracket R1 square plus R2 square plus R1 into R2 bracket close. So these are the formulas related to frustum. So let us see one example from practice set 7.2. First we will solve this activity based question. The question is, the circumferences of circular faces of frustum are 132 centimeter and 88 centimeter and its height is 24 centimeter. To find the curved surface area of the frustum, complete the following activity. Pi we have to take 22 upon 7. So here the example of frustum is given. R1 and R2 are the radii of its bases. height is given 24 centimeter, and we have to find the curved surface area of frustum. Okay, and in question, instead of radius, they have given circumference of both the bases. Okay, so let us solve the activity. Circumference 1, that means the circumference of this bigger surface. We know the formula for circumference. C is equal to 2 pi r. Now here circumference 1 is considered, so radius we consider r1. This circumference is given 132. Therefore, r1 is equal to, this r1 is equal to 132 upon 2 pi. This 2 pi is taken on this side. And here we have to write direct answer. Okay. So, before writing this direct answer, we will calculate it roughly. This part you have to do roughly, and here direct answer you have to write. Okay. So, 132 upon 2 pi, value of pi is 22 upon 7. Now, this 7 we have to take in numerator. So, we will get 132 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So, 132 is divisible by 22. 22 6 are 132. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. So, here we got 3 7s are 21. So, R1 we got 21. Okay. Similarly, circumference 2 equal to 2 pi r2, which is given 88. R2 is equal to 88 divided by 2 pi, equal to dash. We have to find the answer. So this way only we have to do. 88 upon 2 pi means 2 into 22 upon 7. Take this 7 in numerator. 88 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. Now 22 1s are 22 4s are. 2 1s are 2 2s are. And 7 2s are 14. So we got radius R2 14. R1 we got 21, R2 14. Now we have to find curved surface. First we have to find slant height. So formula for slant height of a frustum is L equal to square root h square plus R1 minus R2 square. H square, height of the frustum is given 24. So here 24 square plus R1 minus R2 square. So write down here direct answer, R1 minus R2. R1 21, R2 14. So 21 minus 14, 7. Now here, before writing this answer, we have to calculate this here. Okay. So 24 square is 576 and 7 square is 49. Okay. So we have to add this. 9 plus 6, 15. Carry 1. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Carry 1. 5 plus 1, 6. 625. So it is under square root 625. And here we have to write direct answer. So the square root of 625 is 25. So slant height we got 25 centimeter. Okay. See, now here we got R1 21, R2 14 and slant height 25. Now we have to find curved surface area of frustum. Curved surface area of frustum is equal to formula pi into bracket R1 plus R2 into L. Okay. So pi into R1 plus R2. R1 we got 21 and R2 we got 14. So 21 plus 14 we have to add. So it is equal to 35. So write here 35. and slant height we got 25. Followed. Now again here direct answer we have to write. Before writing this, calculate this. Pi equal to 22 upon 7 into 35 into 25. So 7 1s are 7, 7 5s are 35. Now first do this multiplication. 22 into 5. So 22 5s are 110. Multiply by 25. And now this multiplication is easy. 25 zeros are 0. 25 ones are 25. Carry 2. 25 ones are 25. 25 plus 2, 27. So the answer is 2750. Right here. 2750. So this way we have to complete this activity. Followed?